guys? Welcome back to another Dummy Tech Talks featuring the Tesla again. This is one of the modifications we were talking about that we were going to be doing inside the cab. A screen protector. I think it's definitely necessary.
It is, especially in a car with a giant tablet as your main source of pressing all the buttons and whistles and stuff in the car. Because you use your phone outside, it's really annoying. You have sun glare, you can't really see your fingerprints and all that kind of stuff. It's really important to have it in a car. So yeah, we're gonna do this. You ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Should be easy.
To apply the screen protector on your Model Y or Model 3 Tesla, first you want to clean it with step one. They include a couple of these. We've already taken care of that. And if you need to, there's these dust stickers. You can grab the dust and everything off the screen. We're good on that right now. And it comes with a wipe if you need to wipe any residue or anything like that off, and a squeegee to push the bubbles out once application has been completed. There's also this handy dandy set of instructions that I'm going to be following.
And it has pictures.
Pictures. The best kind of instructions.
Best kind.
So this is it. It's in this tray so that it's supposed to be like absolutely perfect. It says down here top, so I'm going to be flipping it like this to put it on. I have to peel this back part off first. Film. Go. You rest on the top, and then you just make it fit on the bottom inside this tray, so it is perfect. And then you just kind of slide back and forth, make sure it is attached, and then it tells you right here to remove from here. So that's what we're going to do. In one motion. I guess I didn't have to go all the way, but there we go. And pull this guy off. There is one more film on the outside. You can see these tabs. That was to hold it in place on the tray, which we don't need anymore. So there we go. And at this step, if you notice there are bubbles, which there are up here in this corner, I can see from here anyway, and a little down here, you can take the little squeegee and push them out, just like that. You just work it to the edge, just like a phone screen protector, but significantly larger. We'll stop the video here on this one, but it is worth taking the time to knock the bubbles out.
And boom.
Just like that.
Not too bad. So, yeah, that was kind of neat. That came with a tray, you can set it on it.
That tray made things really easy.
Yeah, because otherwise you have to sit there and try to do it with your hand. It just doesn't work. So it's perfect, and there's no bubbles.
It's awesome.
And there's no glare, and your fingerprints won't get stuck on there.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Worth doing.
Yeah, alright, well, if you like that video, give us that thumbs up.
Don't forget to subscribe and the bell so you know when we release new content.
And share. It's the only way we get anywhere. See you guys.